Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Google Forms to Google Sheets 2024, automatically relink responses. Alright, now this is gonna be a very quick video, so please stay until the end. Now right now I have a Google Form inside of me, and right here, this is basically the editor's view. So if I go here and click this preview button, it will open up this basically, what do you call this one? A preview option. Now, as you can see, I've already responded because I'm using my Google account. Now, I'm going to try copying this and opening it to a different account. Now, welcome back to the video. Right now, this is how it should look like. By the way, guys, I have created this Google form and I have a video about it, so please check it out. Now, I'm just going to start answering this. Click on sample at Gmail, something like that. Sample address, phone number. I'm going to type in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For the comments, I'm going to type in sample comment. Simply click on submit. And now I'm going to go back to the main editor's platform. So perfect. Right now, this is going to be the main form that we are currently an editor. And right here, you're going to see responses. Now, once your responses, you're going to see this option that says link to sheets. And now once you're clicking links to sheets, you can either click on these three dots or go directly on link to sheets. Either way, you're gonna have these two options. So we're gonna discuss each one of them. So first, let's create a new spreadsheet. Click on create, and now linking to spreadsheet. So it will automatically open up a new spreadsheet. So these are the answers in here. Now let's try answering one in Google Form, and let's see if it will now reflect in this spreadsheet. So welcome back to the video. Right now, this is another Google account. Let me just type in here sample 1. And for this one, I'm going to type in 1 sample address. Let's just say sample location for this one. I'm just going to show you the difference here. So click on submit right now. And as you remember, we only have 2 responses from earlier on the Google Sheets. Let me open it right now. So here we have it. We have another sample 1 here. We have location there. We have the sample comment. As you can see right here, this is a new comment, right? Perfectly right here. That's step 1. Let's try linking another sheet here via step 2. And right now, since we have already done on creating its new spreadsheet, linking it to a very brand new spreadsheet, I'm going to link this contact information responses Google Forms right now into an existing one. Before I link into an existing one, I'm going to show you how it looks like for the beginning. So right here, this is going to be the Google Sheets we're going to try to link it with. As you can see, it already has a table that I made from scratch. And I want to insert my responses in here. So you cannot really, or you're not really just limited for a brand new Google Sheets. So let me just go back on the Google Forms. And right now in here, click on the 3 dots. And with that being said, select destination from responses. Same drill. Choose now, select existing spreadsheet. Earlier we have created this one, right? By the way, you can also change the name of your spreadsheet here. For example, sample spreadsheet, something like that. And you'll be good to go. But we already discussed this one on the first part of the video. Now I'm gonna discuss this one. Select existing spreadsheet. Right now I'm gonna click on select. I'm gonna try to select this one, okay? So clicking select right there will open up your My Drive. So the name is sample link. Sample right there. Clicking right here. And now it has been successfully linked on my sample link. Or sample sheets rather. Now I can now view on sheets here. I'm gonna click on it right now. And now here is going to be the timestamp, the responses from earlier regarding our Google Forms. Please take note, if you view in a separate tab here, you'll still have your existing data. It does not erase it, it does not overwrite it. Rather, it just combines the two of them. This is very helpful. For example, you're already halfway through your data sheets and you just want to extract the data from Google Forms. This is really useful. Again, guys, there are 2 ways here. You can create your own, starting from scratch, and rename it here. For example, start from scratch. So I want to emphasize you can start from scratch here. And then you can select existing spreadsheet. Those are the 2 options to link your Google contact form or Google Forms in your spreadsheets. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.